Embracing the gym, strategies for overcoming gym anxiety and thriving in your fitness journey. Stepping into a gym can evoke a mix of emotions, excitement, anticipation, and for many, a tinge of anxiety. Gym anxiety, characterized by feelings of self-consciousness, fear of judgment, and insecurity, can be a significant barrier to starting or maintaining a fitness routine. However, with the right strategies and mindset, it's possible to overcome gym anxiety and cultivate a positive, empowering gym experience. In this video, we drill into the root causes of gym anxiety, common challenges faced by individuals, and practical tips for overcoming anxiety and thriving in your fitness journey. Understanding gym anxiety. Gym anxiety is a common phenomenon experienced by individuals of all fitness levels, from beginners to seasoned athletes. It stems from various factors, including fear of judgment, comparison with others, body image concerns, and unfamiliarity with gym equipment and etiquette. For some, past negative experiences or societal pressures may contribute to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt in gym settings. Left unaddressed, gym anxiety can undermine motivation, confidence, and overall well-being, making it difficult to achieve fitness goals and enjoy the benefits of regular exercise. Common challenges associated with gym anxiety. Fear of judgment. Many individuals worry about being judged by others based on their appearance, fitness level, or performance in the gym. This fear of scrutiny can lead to self-consciousness and reluctance to engage in certain exercises or activities. Comparison with others. The presence of other gym goers, particularly those who appear more experienced or fit, can trigger feelings of inadequacy and self-comparison. This comparison mindset can erode self-esteem and confidence, making it challenging to focus on one's own progress and goals. Body image concerns. Body image issues, such as feeling self-conscious about one's weight, shape, or physical appearance, can intensify gym anxiety. Individuals may avoid certain exercises or areas of the gym for fear of drawing attention to their bodies or perceived flaws. Unfamiliarity with equipment and etiquette. For beginners, navigating the gym environment and using unfamiliar equipment can be intimidating. Lack of knowledge about proper form, technique, and gym etiquette can compound feelings of anxiety and uncertainty. Strategies for overcoming gym anxiety. Start small and set realistic goals. Begin your fitness journey with small, achievable goals that align with your abilities and preferences. Focus on activities that you enjoy and feel comfortable with, whether it's walking on the treadmill, trying a group fitness class, or using resistance bands at home. Celebrate your progress and gradually challenge yourself to expand your comfort zone over time. Educate yourself. Familiarize yourself with gym equipment, exercises, and proper form by seeking guidance from fitness professionals, online resources, or reputable fitness apps. Consider scheduling an orientation session with a personal trainer to learn how to use equipment safely and effectively. Knowledge and competence breed confidence, empowering you to navigate the gym environment with ease. Shift your mindset. Challenge negative thoughts and beliefs that contribute to gym anxiety, such as, "I'm not fit enough" or "everyone is watching me." Remind yourself that everyone starts somewhere and that progress is more important than perfection. Focus on your own journey and celebrate your efforts, regardless of how they compare to others. Practice visualization and relaxation techniques. Incorporate visualization and relaxation techniques into your pre-gym routine to calm nerves and reduce anxiety. Visualize yourself entering the gym with confidence, performing exercises with ease, and achieving your fitness goals. Practice deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or mindfulness meditation to center yourself and alleviate tension. Create a supportive environment. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who uplift and encourage you in your fitness journey. Consider working out with a friend, joining a group fitness class, or connecting with like-minded individuals online or in local fitness communities. Having a support system can boost motivation, accountability, and enjoyment of exercise. Focus on non-physical benefits. Shift your focus from solely physical outcomes, such as weight loss or muscle gain, to the numerous non-physical benefits of exercise, such as improved mood, energy, and stress relief. Embrace exercise as a form of self-care and empowerment, prioritizing your mental and emotional well-being as much as your physical health. Gradually expose yourself to challenges. Gradually expose yourself to challenging situations in the gym, such as trying new exercises, increasing weights, or participating in group workouts. Start with manageable challenges and gradually increase the difficulty as you build confidence and competence. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow from setbacks, viewing them as valuable learning experiences rather than failures. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and compassionate to yourself, especially when facing challenges or setbacks in your fitness journey. Acknowledge and validate your feelings of anxiety, knowing that they are a natural response to new or unfamiliar situations. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend facing similar struggles. Focus on the present moment. Stay present and focused on the task at hand during your workouts, rather than dwelling on past experiences or worrying about future outcomes. Practice mindfulness techniques, such as mindful breathing or body scans, to anchor yourself in the present moment and cultivate a sense of calm and centeredness. Seek professional support if needed. If gym anxiety significantly interferes with your ability to exercise or enjoy physical activity, consider seeking support from a mental health professional, such as a therapist or counselor. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and other evidence-based interventions can help you address underlying fears, negative thought patterns, and behavioral patterns contributing to gym anxiety. Overcoming gym anxiety is a gradual process that requires patience, persistence, and self-compassion. By understanding the root causes of gym anxiety, challenging negative beliefs, and implementing practical strategies, you can cultivate a positive and empowering gym experience. Remember that everyone's fitness journey is unique, and progress is measured not only by physical gains, but also by personal growth and resilience. Embrace the opportunity to step out of your comfort zone, face your fears, and unlock your full potential in the gym and beyond. With dedication and determination, you can overcome gym anxiety and thrive in your fitness journey. If you receive value from this video, please like, subscribe, and comment.